today's video I'm going to talk about StampManage Reporting, and this is kind of an advanced topic, so if you don't understand what's going on, maybe you can just wait till you know the program a little better and come back to it later. So basically I'm going to talk about how to edit reports and make small changes. So we had a customer who had a similar problem to this. He wanted to change the title of a report. So let me go in and edit the report, Stamps by Stamp album with images. So it's going to show you like a preview of what the report's going to look like. Now up here we have this second section is this is a variable StampManage report title, and what this does is when you run the report, StampManage will fill in this variable with what items are in the report. So for example, if you run the report from the main menu, it's going to include all the stamps across collections, and so it's going to say all stamps. If you just run this report from a particular collection, it would just say it would just give the name of the collection. But anyway, so I'm going to show you how to change the title. Actually, the best thing to do always is to make a second copy in case you make a mistake. You don't have to try and revert. So I'm just going to call it the same name and add new at the end. Click Save. So to change the title, this is basically a piece of text. Double click. Now you can change the font and things like that here. You can also double click to actually change the text. And so within the quote marks, let's say I just want to change it to Stamps Group by Stamp Album. Now back here, down here, the information will tell you if your change is correct or not. So for example, if I leave out the closing quotation mark, it's going to tell me it's a syntax error. So in that case, you're going to have errors in the report, so you have to make sure that this is valid before you hit the OK button. So I'm going to put back the closing parentheses, and now it shows you what the text of the field is going to show. Click OK, OK, and now I'm just going to save the report. Now if I was to run the report, to run a new report that you've created, you can select Reports, Output Report using all data. This is the new report I created. Click Open. We've had some people with problems printing directly to the printer. If you have a problem like that, best thing to do is output the Adobe PDF and then open the Adobe PDF and print from there. If you have problems printing from Adobe PDF, you probably got some sort of problem with your printer. Anyway, or your connection between your computer and printer. Let me just select Preview, Start. And you can see here at the top now the change I made to the title has been made effective. Now remember the second subtitle. Since I included all stamps in this report, it's going to show all stamps. We had another question regarding sorting in reports, and so let me edit the report again. Let me just take stamps sorted by Scott here. Double click to open. Just make this a bit smaller here. When you click on the main table of the report, this table here, and you may need to scroll down a bit, but actually you don't here. It's going to tell you the sort order of the report. Right now this report is only sorting on one field, Stamp Scott number. Now what I can do is add a secondary or third sort order as well. So let's say, I believe the user wanted to sort by plate number next. So you just select Scott number and then plate number. And so what that's going to do is, let's say you have multiple stamps with the same Scott number. It's going to first sort by Scott number and then sort by stamp plate number. Click OK. Now you can see here this has been changed. So when you run the report, it's going to sort on first Scott number, then plate number within the Scott number field. By the way, if you want to change the width of columns, you can easily do that. So let's say I want to make the Scott number a little smaller. I can just kind of drag it to the left a little bit here. That's an easy way to do that. You can also obviously change the width, the numeric value of the width. Let's see. Yeah, this is the data field. So for example, down here, going to have the width here. You can change that as well if you want to. So anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.